So again we are in exercise 20b. It is question number 15. Is talking about a field whose dimension is given 30 by 20. 30 by 27 meter. 30 meter by 27 meter. We'll mark it equal ABCD. And then a path is running inside it. Path is running inside. Its name is PQRS. Width of path is given 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter. And we have to find area of this path. This path area is to be calculated. We have to find out area of this path. So what we'll do in this figure, we'll find out the dimension of PQRS. How much is the dimension of PQRS? So this is PQ, R and S. Since this is 2.5 and this is 2.5, so internal dimension will be 2.5 plus 2.5, 5 less. So this will be length of this QR will be equal to this 27 minus 5, that is equal to 22 meter. And length of PQ will be 2.5 and 2.5. How much less? 5 less. So PQ will be how much? 30 minus 5, that is equal to 25 meter. If we'll talk about ABCD, so AB length is how much? 30. BC length is how much? 27. So if you have to find out area of ABCD, it will come out as 30 into 27, that is equal to 810 meters square. And if we talk about PQRS, actually it is representing area of field without path. So it will be area of PQRS will be PQ into QR, that is equal to 22 into 25, that will come out as 550 meters square. Since we want area of this path, so area of path will be area of big rectangle, area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. So it will come out as 810 minus 550, that is equal to 260 meter square. This will be your answer. So question number 16 is talking about a rectangular house. Dimension is given 80 meter into 13.5 meter. And we have to do tiling with the help of square tiles. Dimension of square tile is given 25 centimeter. So its dimension will convert in meter, because this dimension is meter and this dimension is centimeter. So it will be divided by 100. We will get dimension of tile is equal to 1 by 4 meter. And we will consider that number of tiles used to pave this one is n. So obviously area of this n tiles will be equal to area of this hall. So I have written area of n tiles is equal to area of hall, and n into this, since this is square, so its area is side whole square, it is rectangle, so its area is length into breadth. So n into side is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. It is 18 into this one 13.5. To get the value of n, what we'll do, this 4 into 4, 16 will be multiplied this side. So it will come out 18 into 2160. So 6.0, so it will come out as 388 tiles. Second part, it is asked how much cost will be there. So cost of tiles, if you have to find out, cost of tiles, I mean in book it is given rate of tile is rupees 6. So cost of tile will be how much? Rupees 3888 into 6. X will come 6 8 is 48, 52, 57, 23,728 rupees will be your answer. Second part of the question says that now we have to put margin every side. Margin of how much? 1.5 meter every side. 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter. Now you have to find out number of tiles. So as usual, like question number 15, we'll find out area of PQRS. So since we have to put tile here, so area of PQRS will be length of PQ into length of QR. So at first we'll find out how much is the length of PQ. So length of PQ will be how much? 1.5, 1.53 meter less. So 18 minus 3, it will be 18 minus 3, that is equal to 15 meter. And length of this QR will be again 3 meter less. So QR will be how much? 13.5 minus 3, that is equal to 10.5 meter. Since we want to get the area of this portion, so area of this will be how much? 15 into how much? 10.5. And since we want number of tiles again, so number of tiles will be number of tiles into area of this tile, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 will be equal to how much? 15 into 10.5. So n will come out as 15 into 10.5 multiplied by as usual 16. After calculation it will come out as, you will calculate 15 into 10.5 into how much? 16. So your result will come out as 2520 tiles. Since we want cost of tiles also in this case, cost of tiles will be how much? 2520 into rate of one tile. After multiplication, your answer will come out as 15,210 rupees. This will be your answer. So now we are in question number 17. Here a field is, its name is ABCD, and two crossroads are there. One crossroad is parallel to the length of field, and another crossroad is parallel to the breadth of field. And dimension length of, so width of field is how much? 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. And we have to find out area of both the roads. Area of this crossroad plus area of this crossroad. So you will find that this portion is common to both. So mark it 1, mark it 2. So one crossroad is this one crossroad is this one, and this is common to it. So we'll find the area of total area of crossroad. We'll find out the area of this crossroad, find out area of this crossroad, and from that we'll subtract area of this crossroad because this is common to it. So area of crossroads will be equal to area number 1, which is a rectangle, plus area number 2, which is also a rectangle, and we'll subtract this one. So mark it 3. So minus area of 3, which is a square. So area of crossroad number 1 will be, its width is 2.5, or length is how much? 30. So it will be 2.5 into 30. Area of this crossroad will be, this one is how much? 22 for 22, and this is 2.5. So it is 2.5 into 20. And this, since this figure is a square, so its length is 2.5 and breadth is also 2.5. So its area will be 2.5 into 2.5. So it will come out as 75 meters square. It will come out as how much it is? 22, no? 22. So it is 55 meters square, and it will be how much? 6.25 meters square. 75 plus 25, this one will add 5, 5, 10, 7, 5, 12, 113, 130 minus 6.25. So it will be 0.75. It is 9 minus 6 is 3. So it is 123.75 meters square, and that will be area of the. So we are in question number 18. Okay. So question number 18 is talking about a field ABCD, where length and breadth ratio is given. Length is to breadth is given 5 is to 4. So we'll consider let length is equal to 5x and breadth is equal to 4x. Area as per question is given. Area is a 3380. Area is 3380 meters square, and we have to find out how much will be the cost of fencing this field at the rate of rupees 75 per meter. So we have to find out its length, we have to find out its breadth, then we'll find out its perimeter, and then perimeter will be multiplied by rate to get how much cost is there. So at first we'll apply formula of area. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 3380. Length we have considered 5x, breadth we have considered 4x, that is equal to 3380. So 20x square will come out as 3380. When we will solve it, so x square will come out as 3380 divided by 20, that is equal to 169. Since we want x, so x will come out as root over 169, that is equal to 30 meter. Now our duty is to find out its perimeter. So at first we'll find out its length. So length is equal to how much? 5x. So 5 into 13, that is equal to 65 meter. Breadth, that is equal to 4x, that is equal to 4 into 13, that is equal to 52 meter. So we'll find out its perimeter. So perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 into 65 plus 52. So 2 into 117, it will come out as 527, 6511. So it will come out as 234 meters. Since we want the cost will be how much? Perimeter into rate. So perimeter is how much? 234, and it is how much? 75 rupees. When you multiply, so your answer will come out as 234 into 75 will come out as 17,550 rupees. Your answer will be 17,550 rupees. This will be your answer.